Surprise! Watch The Chosen Season 5, premiere a week early. The Chosen Season 5 might be coming to Prime Video on June 15th, but you can actually watch the premiere episode right now. This isn't the first time the show, which is famous for its crowdfunding and free streaming platform, has given us some content early, but it's always a nice surprise. Here's everything you need to know about the new episodes of The Chosen. You can actually watch the premiere of Season 5 right now on YouTube. The rest of the season will debut on Prime Video on June 15th and come to the Chosen app sometime in the future. You've probably seen the famous painting of the Last Supper, but now you can see it come to life. The official The Chosen Instagram account says in a post, Season 5, Episode 1 is available on our YouTube live stream now and on at Prime Video starting June 15th. There are 8 episodes total in The Chosen Season 5. The Chosen Season 5 cast includes all our favorite actors, and then some. Jonathan Rumi as Jesus, Shahar Isaac as Simon Peter Perez, Patel as Matthew, Elizabeth Tabish as Mary Magdalene, Noah James as Andrew, George H. Xanthus as John, Abe Bueno Jalad as Big James, Jordan Walker Ross as Little James, Giovanni Cairo as Thaddeus. In The Chosen Season 5, Jesus is entering Jerusalem for Passover as the people of Israel welcome Jesus as king, while his disciples anticipate his crowning, according to the official synopsis. And when Jesus calls out the religious leaders of the day, they decide to go to any length to ensure this Passover meal is Jesus' last. But the major question driving the season forward: what happens in the course of just a few days that causes people to go from worshiping him to wanting him killed? Creator Dallas Jenkins tells USA Today, yes, The Chosen Season 6 is filming right now. Dallas Jenkins told Deadline that the crucifixion will come in Season 6 and the resurrection will occur in Season 7. Spoiler alert! He also told Variety that the entire Season 6 will cover one day. So covering 1 week in Season 5 feels luxurious.